Alright guys, so this video here is just basically me showing you guys some, I don't know, maybe it's cool, maybe it's not. This right here is the Super Modifier, NBA 2K18 Super Modifier demo. It was in all Chinese, and what I'm doing right now is I'm going through and I'm translating some of the fields so that I can upload the Super Modifier demo with the English version. And so as you can see here, you can see a lot of the coding in some of these boxes. So like, I mean, it's just breaking everything down, you know. So I'm just going through and I'm about to translate some of this stuff. Now some of this stuff doesn't even work, so I'm not going to translate everything. In fact, some of the stuff has already been translated by K-Smiz. He actually has been translating this for his own use because he's played around with the tool himself. He's messed around with it. He's used it for his own purposes, so I know he's using it. And so I messed around with it earlier today with the game settings. I'll show you guys. Shoot, my controller isn't even connected right now. I got a wireless. But anyway, in the background here, I was messing around with the CPU and user sliders. You can mess around with those, and I was just making sure it actually worked. So like here it is. This is, and so as you can see, I translated a couple of the fields here: offense, sliders, user, CPU. I translated these three fields here: inside shot success, close shot success, mid range, and then so on and so forth. I will try to get through some of these. It's a lot of them. So I have to come back over here and dang, where was it? Yeah, here it is. So then I have to come over here and have to translate it here. I think this one is 3-point shot success. So I'm just going to change that up. All right, it changed. So I'm going to save it here. And then when I get done, I'll save the I'll save it all together, and then I'll upload it whenever I finish or get as far as I can. I will upload it in that thread where I believe D3 and we were talking about the tool. So I uploaded the Chinese demo earlier to NLSC servers, and then then you'll see some D3's responses, and then anyway, then I will upload this and shoot. Let's see. Actually, if I take a look at it here, I'm sorry guys, I'm all over the place. But if I show you this first little thing here, you can see that K-Smiz, he already translated some of the stuff. Let's see, I can't remember how long ago he translated it. I mean, he just translated stuff for himself. He sent me what he had translated so far, just because he had been playing around with it. He messes around with a lot of stuff, kind of like myself, just mess with mods just to see what can be done. But yeah, so as you can see, wingspan is here. Then he's got some other fields. This one actually needs to be changed. Anyway, I just thought this might be an insightful little video. Maybe it's not, maybe it is, I don't know. Thought you guys might want to see. you know, some of the coding and stuff actually being, you know, like what it would take to actually mess around with the tool. Like this stuff, I mean, coding all of this, I didn't code any of this. This is actually SCX 1125 actually coded everything. And as you can see, I mean, if you just look at the code for all of it, shoot. Let me just leave everything alone right now. But as you can see, just right here alone, there's a lot of coding. So anyway, I mean, whatever. I just thought you guys might be interested in this. If you're not interested, no need to comment on the video, or I mean, you don't have to comment about the video or anything if you don't care. That's fine. Yeah, it's just a video. All right, guys, I'm out.